Hey guys, happy 2019. It's like January 4th. This is my first video for the year, and it's been like maybe 3-4 months since I filmed. I know I look like real creeper, like in my hood, like straight up like this. But it's all good, it's all good. Today I think it's gonna be a busy day, so I thought like I should film. Who's calling me? My mother. Oh my god, like everyone's like hitting me up right now. It's so weird. Okay, anyways, but yeah, so today's gonna be like kind of an eventful day, and I'm really excited because this is going to be my first massage ever. I'm gonna go get a massage with my old college buddy. That sounds so weird to say, like so like not cute to say college buddy. My Fitum friend, let's say that. We're gonna go do that, and it was so much fun. Like we hung out like last night, and she took me in parts in LA that I just was like, what? I didn't even know this exists. What? So I'm really like glad that we start hanging out again. So yeah, I'm trying to take you guys along with my day. Like today I'm gonna, like in the morning, I'm gonna look a little busted because yeah, like I don't think anyone goes, you know, face beat to a spa, so I'm not gonna do all that. Later on, I'm gonna meet up with another like high school friend of mine. So I'm gonna meet up with Asia, and I'm just gonna take you guys throughout my day since, you know, I haven't been present on YouTube. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit when I'm kind of like on my way. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm here at Burke Williams. I know I have my hair in a hair tie, excuse it, but like it is so pretty in here. It's so nice and relaxing. I'm gonna show you a little bit how everything looks. I can't really record a lot because we're not allowed to have our phones. Da, 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 da. It's the one and only Digo Double G. But yeah, here's how like the little waiting room looks. Super cute. They offer you like fruit and tea and water, and they have like a jacuzzi, and they have like all this like really cute stuff. Like, and it's just so, I feel like it's so important to do stuff like this for yourself, especially for a woman, because it's pretty much like treating yourself and making yourself feel good and valuing yourself. And I'm just so grateful that one of my good friends from like Fitum, like I'm here with her, and she like scheduled all of this, and I was just like, oh my god, why are you so amazing? Okay, so I just got back home. I'm still like in that like whisper mode, like it's so weird because at the spa, like everyone talks in like these like really hushed tone voices, and everyone's like, oh, I'm so glad you came today, how was your relaxation? It's like super like can't yell, so it's like really hard for me because I project my voice, like even when I'm whispering it's like I'm talking. But yeah, I was so grateful that she like did that for me. It was so nice. On top of that, she also did like a bath, so we got our massage. Oh my god, the massage was so good. It was so bomb. I never had a massage like that before, and like she went from my head to my face, all my shoulders to my lower back. She even like touched my butt, and it was a little like, at first it kind of tickled. I was like, what? This is kind of weird. But yeah, she massaged my butt, like the side of my legs, my knees, my calves, my feet, every little inch of my body. And I was just like in heaven. And then before you know it, she's like, okay, it's like ding, like, okay, your time is up. 25 minutes have passed. 25 minutes is nothing. And then so after that, we just pretty much did like the bath, and you sit in, it's like this big jacuzzi bath, and you sit there. We did like 20 minutes. 20 minutes is like, I'm telling you, it goes by so fast, but it's so important. Like I said, I feel like now that I've done this, I feel like, oh my god, I have to continue doing this. So happy that she like hooked me up and she did that for me. It was really nice. She didn't have to do that. So yeah. Besides that, I quickly have to get dressed. I'm gonna go meet up with my other friend. I'm gonna have dinner with her because I haven't seen her in such a long time. She's about to be moving to New Orleans soon, so I want to try and get as much time with her before she leaves. Just to quickly show you guys like what I'm thinking about wearing. So I'm thinking about wearing this red heel with my new Michael Jackson like Thriller shirt. I think it's so cute. I don't know if I should wear the red hat or if I should do the black one. I feel like the red one is kind of a little bit more better. Like, I don't know, I think it makes my outfit stand out a little bit more. So I think I'm gonna do the red hat. With the, I love this belt. I got this belt from actually Forever 21. I got the shoes from H&M, $8, and pretty much everything else, the pants, the shirt, the hat, and this jacket is all from Zara. So I'm kind of excited to wear this, see how it turns out. Yeah. So now quickly I'm going to be doing my makeup and trying to hurry up and beat time. Haven't done it this way before. It's kind of like weird. I've never done it this way. Like, usually I have time, all the time in the world, but I'm going to quickly do this. So I'll be right back. Okay, so basically I quickly had to hurry and do my makeup because I'm running out of time. I was actually supposed to be leaving out at 7 and it is 6:59. So quickly just tell you what I did. I'm using my favorite foundation that I love using right now is the Can't Stop, Won't Stop. And I am in the color, I don't even know if I'm in the color Deep Rich. So I love this one so much. I already showed you guys the eyelashes. I decided to go with this hat because I felt like, I don't know, I felt like the red and my eyeshadow was just like competing against each other. And yeah, I don't know why I kind of went like with pinks and purples. I don't know if it's really showing up as pink and purple, but it is. And I'm wearing red, so it's kind of like, what were you thinking? But I love my hat so much. I got it for $8 at H&M. I will show you my completed outfit in just a second, and then we're gonna be on the road because I'm already like late, like always. Oh, you're not gonna be able to see, but okay. So here's the shirt that I'm wearing, the jacket with the hat. I'm glad I went with this hat, and then down below, I'm just gonna like tilt the camera. I'm wearing these pants with these little red heels. I am really like low-key feeling my makeup, like for real. Super cute. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Oh, and my lip, my favorite lip combo, really quickly. It's oh my god, I don't even know it. Give me 1 second. Okay, so if you guys are wondering about my lip color, it's like my favorite thing to do. Like, it goes with every single eyeshadow that I ever do. And it is the NYX, the Suede matte lip liner in the color Club Hopper. And then after that, I use the Desi X Katie More Creamer Please. And then over everything, I use this. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in Parline. Yeah, and then I just kind of use a brush and blend it all together, and oh, it just looks so good. So good. Yeah. Look juicy, huh? I know. Hi. I was supposed to finish off my vlog yesterday and I didn't do that. My mother's right here. She don't want to say nothing. Why are you so cheesy? I can't speak. My mother's my best friend. Okay, no. Never mind. She thinks it's not going in the video. It's going to go in the video. For this year, I am trying to become keto or do keto. Ow, that hurt. I'm trying to do keto because, you know, it's a trend. No, I'm just kidding. I do think it's a healthy lifestyle and a good way to lose weight. So why not? Whoa!
You didn't think that was gonna happen?
Yeah, I did. Oh my god, she's so annoying. Hold on to it, mother. So that it doesn't move.
I'm not gonna. You think I'm gonna?
Wow! You suck!
You think I'm gonna lean up here?
Oh my god, no, it's fine. I got it. I'll do it this way. It's fine. Dang.
I'm not gonna lean up.
I'm gonna fire you from my assistant. From being my assistant. It's dark.
Right. There you go.
God, she's not a good assistant. So I am hiring for assistants. Just kidding. Dang, why all in my face though? Like, can the people have some room?
That's it right there.
Okay.
Be thankful.
Oh, I'm thankful. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and click
the button down below.
Why did you have to mess up my...
I did. I just say click.
No, you said it weird. You said it hecka weird.
Click the button down below.
Oh, you're just gonna look at this. Look at sir. It was not your turn to cross, sir. Anyways, like I said, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe below. Click on the bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. It's the next day and I wanted to try Shayla'S bird bowl, little seed morning acai bowl, whatever. And literally like, there's certain things that you get and it's like so expensive to eat healthy. You're like, bruh, I'm paying $13 for some seeds. Like, are you joking? Like, really? It should not be too expensive to want to eat better, like healthier, like, bruh. So right now, basically, I'm headed to Food for Less because I couldn't find the, I think it's called the sativa extractions. I couldn't find that. Like, I went to Ralph's, so I was at Target, and so now I'm gonna go to Food for Less because I have to pick up some other stuff too. But if I can't find it there, then I guess I'm gonna have to go to Trader Joe's, which I hate going to Trader Joe's, to be honest, because people are so rude. And I have this like thing about like public places, like you should just know like the rules in public places. Like, don't leave your basket in the middle of the aisle. Don't just stand in the middle of the aisle. If you feel a person coming by, move over. So please and thank you and excuse me are very important too. Like, there's a lot of lack there. I don't know why. And it's so small. Everybody is like, it's just so small and everyone's there crammed and you can't like maneuver anywhere or look. So it's just so annoying and people want to be rude. I don't tolerate that. So yeah, I'm at Food for Less. I'm trying to get some salmon because I'm trying to be a little bit more like keto friendly. I'm working my way there, to be honest. It's really hard. This is my father. Why didn't you just come with me? Why didn't you just want to be, carpooling? I'm kind of sad because they did not have the sativa. Girl, like, I'm gonna need you to leave a link on where you can purchase this, like, in the store, because I don't really have time to purchase online. Like, what? So I have to get home really quickly and soon start making my freaking dinner because it's getting late. So I'm gonna stop by Trader Joe's really quickly. If they don't got it, then I'm kind of screwed because I just like legit bought all the ingredients and now I might have to buy it online. And that's what I'm supposed to be eating for the week. So we're gonna find it though. I have wishful thinkings, wishful thoughts. So literally Trader Joe's gives me the worst anxiety ever when I go in there. I'm like not breathing whatsoever. Please give this video a thumbs up if you feel like going to Trader Joe's is legit like a war, like a battlefield. Like, you have to legit come with like a plan. Found this. It's not the same one that she used, but same thing, but not the same brand. $6.99. Okay. There was a parking spot and the person wasn't going, so I took it. Oh, thank you. Oh, she was so nice. She was like, your lights. Don't get a ticket over here in Manhattan Beach. Did anybody watch that R. Kelly? R. Kelly, I hate when I say his name. It's like disgusting. Like, disgusting. And then you're gonna say on Instagram, oh, like you didn't watch it and that your people like informed you about like the interviews and he was on it, and half of them you don't know, bruh. Half of them you don't. That's even worse. The fact that you can't even remember all these young women that you messed around with. Like, I'm gonna need you to recall something, because and just like looking at his face like gets me like and it just makes my skin like crawl. Disgusting, like how he was. And it's like sad that like his whole like entourage, like people who were employed with him, like knew about it but didn't want to say anything. Like, what? You're disgusting. You're just as disgusting, bruh. Like, last thing I still haven't seen that like bird box or whatever it's called. I don't know why I don't want to see it, because I feel like it's gonna creep me out and it's gonna take me a minute to like get over it. Because I won't even lie, like after I watched the R. Kelly stuff, I was very creeped out and didn't know if he was gonna I'm such a weirdo. I was like, R. Kelly's gonna pop out of while I'm taking my shower. He's gonna pop out of the closet, or he's gonna pop out and try to like get me. But then again, I start thinking, I was like, wait, you're not even 15 anymore. Like, he probably wouldn't even be attracted to you. But then again, if you think about it, he's even older, so then maybe he would be attracted and just want to like, gross. But yeah, that's my social media for you guys. I'm about to go inside and get ready for the next day. I hate when it comes like to a certain amount of time. Like, I feel like 7 o'clock, it's like, all right, like if you've worked tomorrow, it's like, okay, now I gotta prepare for tomorrow. Like, that's it. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. How many of you guys like my sweatshirt? Cutes, huh? Who's your favorite character? Mine is definitely Hey Arnold and Helga, and Gerald. Like, this whole little camp right here, it's like, what's up, what's good, and Wild Thornberries, and of course Rugrats. Let me know if you are an 80s baby, because I am. I know I'm putting my age out there, whatever. But I hope you guys liked the video. Please leave a thumbs up, leave comments down below letting me know you did, or whatever you want. And also, if you can please hit the notification bell so that way you guys can be notified whenever I do drop videos. I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.